Hi, in this video, we are going to show how do you create integration project using natural language. As of now, we are creating project from scratch. You don't know if we have available solution. Now you need to provide your requirement to the AI chatbot and Oracle integration will look at the repository and will search if we have any matching pre-built solution based on your natural language prompt. If yes, it will filter it out and then you can choose the one that matches your requirement. If not, then of course you can go ahead and then build the integration from scratch. So let's see how you can leverage the power of natural language and create the project based on the existing solution. So let's begin here. So let's go and let's say start a new project on the home screen. Click start a new project and let's say create. When you say create in version 26.01, so this feature has come up only and only in 26.01. So here is the chat box, AI chat input box where you will provide the requirement. Let's say would would like like to create a customer profile in Oracle ERP. So enter the prompt and it will go to the internal repository and we'll check do we have any pre-built solution matching with your requirements. If yes, you can choose it. Say you can review all rest Oracle ERP Cloud, create customer record. Maybe that is one of the solution that you're looking for. If yes, then say choose. You can review others also. So for now, let's say choose. Maybe this is the one that I'm looking for. If not, then of course you can start with a new project. Let's go with this choose. And then the once this is installed, it will take you to the configuration screen from here itself. You don't need to go to the project and then configure. It will take you to the configuration screen directly. Let this project to be available and it will take you to this particular configuration screen. Let it open. All right, you have seen once it is installed, it will take you to this configuration editor screen where you can see all the connections. You have three steps: connections, lookups, and deployment. So what you can do, you can simply edit the connection directly from here and then update the required details, the ERP host name, username, password. If you have done test and save and go back, and then you will be reaching to the same screen where you have started, and then go to the lookup. If you have any lookup, you can manage the lookup, and then deployment. Then you can actually activate the whole deployment and then it will be activated. Now you can go back and it will directly take you to this project screen where once it is deployed, it will be active and then you can run. So how easy it is now to create your solution based on the existing solution, and you need to simply provide your requirement in the NLP natural language and AI will take care rest of the things. That's all about this. Thank you. Bye bye.